For where two or more are gathered in my name, there am I with them. Matthew 18:20. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Hey family, welcome back to Everything's Major. For today's episode, we're making this decadent, savory, not your grandmother's bread pudding, made with a little twist. So without further ado, let's make it major. All the information and ingredients will be down in the description box. So sit back and relax while I do all the work and you enjoy the ride. We're going to make this bread pudding with some Kings Hawaiian Rolls. We're going to cut up the rolls into cube shape. Since this is a fresh pack, we're going to pop them in the oven on 250 for 10 minutes. We're trying to get the bread more stale. Also, you can use brioche bread if you have some on hand. Now let's make our custard. On low heat, melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Add in 1 cup of milk, then 1 cup of half and half, a half a cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of cane sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of cinnamon and nutmeg. Add in 3 eggs and mix. Now add in some chopped nuts. I'm using some pecans and raisin. This part is optional. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Place your bread into a greased baking dish and pour your custard all over your breadcrumbs. It should look something like this. And then add into the oven and bake on 350 for 40 to 45 minutes. Checking to make sure it's your desired doneness. While that's baking, let's work on our Grand Marnier vanilla sauce. That's gonna go on top of our bread pudding. It's gonna make it so savory. On low heat, melt 3 tablespoons of butter, then 2 tablespoons of flour and whisk. Slowly pour in 1 cup of half and half and 1 cup of milk, a half a cup of brown sugar, and a pinch of cinnamon and nutmeg. Now it's time to add in 1/4 cup of Grand Marnier, or you can even use some bourbon. Whisk until sauce is thickened for a couple of minutes and set aside until our bread pudding is ready from the oven. Now sprinkle some razzle dazzle powdered sugar on top of your bread pudding. Then drizzle your yummy Grand Marnier vanilla sauce all over your bread pudding. Also, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure to share this video with all your family and friends. And if you're a real dessert lover, check out my homemade peach cobbler infused with Crown Royal peach. Now, isn't that a treat? Let's really activate our sweet tooth and serve with some vanilla ice cream and more sauce on top, and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I will see you again real soon. Take care of yourself and each other. God bless you. Bye. Thank you guys for watching. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Take care and God bless. And everything you do, make sure it's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major.